Ever feel like your mix is missing that analog warmth? This free plugin might be exactly what you need. So let's check out what JST Extra Spice can do. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinX the producer. Today we are checking out a free plugin that adds real character to your tracks. We're talking about JST Extra Spice. So with that being said, let's get into it. This plugin is the little brother of the popular JST Hit plugin from Joey Stoggy's Tones. I hope I pronounced the name right. And the best part, it is completely free. This plugin focuses on frequency-dependent saturation, which means it doesn't just throw distortion on a whole signal. It is smart. It adds subtle harmonic content where your mix needs it the most. So you can use it to add warmth, thickness, and that analog vibe to anything, be it vocals, guitars, bass, even your full masters. Now, JST Extra Spice is in VST, AU, and AAX formats, compatible with Mac and Windows. To get this plugin for free, I'll be leaving the download link in the description, but you can only download it via a form submission, so which means you need to input your name and your email and then they will send it to you. Alright, let's now quickly break down this plugin. JST Extra Spice has a super clean and simple layout. Alright, here you can see the hit knob, which is actually where the magic starts from, and turning up this adds saturation. But the cool part is how the saturation curve is frequency aware, so which means it doesn't wreck your transients or overly distort your low end. Now let's talk about the output knob. It sets your final level. As you can see, this is useful if you've driven it hard and needs to tame the gain post saturation. So you can actually use this on vocals for presence. You can as well try it on bass to thicken the low end, and it can also be used on your master bus for a little glue. Alright, let's now have a before and after audio demo. I'm going to throw it on a vocal chain and push the drive a little bit harder, but I need us to pay close attention to see how it is going to bring out the air, the presence in the vocals without sounding harsh. So let's check it out.
It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see the start. I give her my heart, oh, eh. It be like dream, oh, eh. She be not like this, see
So this is how I would use JST Extra Spice in real session. I will use it on individual drags that feels dull or lifeless, and I'll also stack it subtly on multiple bosses for natural cohesion. If you're going for a quick analog style mastering touch, drop it on your 2 boss and dial it back to like 5 to 10% and listen to the color it's going to add to your track. So for me, if I'm to rate this plugin, starting with the ease of use, I think I'm gonna give it 10 over 10 because of the one knob instant vibe. You know, the moment we engage this, I believe you heard what happened. Now for the CPU friendly, I'm gonna give it 9 over 10 because it is not eating much on my CPU, so it's super lightweight in my session. And finally, for the value, I think 100 over 10 because it is free. You know, who doesn't want free thing? And as a matter of fact, it sounds amazing. So my final verdict, so if you're looking for a go-to tool to add subtle energy to your tracks without over processing your signal, this one is a no-brainer. To be honest, it is staying in my toolkit for sure. So if you want to download JST Extra Spice, hit the link in the description. It is a quick sign up, takes about 30 seconds depending on your speed, and boom, you got a free gem. Let me know what you think about this plugin in the comments, or tell me your favorite saturation plugin right now, whether free or paid. And of course, like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.